Yeah, people, you know it's your boy Grizzly Beer. I'm there represent for dancehall reggae vibes. So, watch you know. You know, say we are advocates for positive energy. We are advocates for righteousness. We are advocates of hopefulness. Right? You don't know dancehall reggae vibes, so they are geared positive. You know what I mean? We are geared the most controversial, the most everything where you know what I mean there is to know about dancehall, there is to know about reggae. And the whole vibes of Jamaica. You see me I say? So you know CAPLETON, I know CAPLETON journey. You see me I say? CAPLETON was one of them artists there for the girl them. You see me I say? Pay a tune for the girl them and you know what I mean? Dash out, you see me I say? Yeah, when I say dash out for the girl them. CAPLETON. You know what I mean? And you know, over time it named growth. You see me? Growth. You see me? Sit down and check with yourself and you know, life, teach you things. You see me? I say morals, etiquettes. Yeah? And certain embedded, you know, attributes we just naturally have and characteristics. See?
Let me tell you something. Nobody no bigger than nobody here. Money no make you bigger than me. Wealth no make you bigger than me. We breathe the same here. Alright, you see me? You know what get under my skin? Selfishness. I mean, I don't like people where too full of themselves and feel say them more than people and them better than people. Tomorrow no promise nobody. The world no revolve around no one person. The whole of the world are for me, for everybody. You see me I say? And the self-proclaimed thing, me not do that neither. Me not deal with individualism. You understand me I say? Yeah, me know why you feel like say, you know, the world revolve around you, you're indispensable or you're indestructible and it's all about you.
So over time, CAPLETON has developed a different perspective. You know what I mean? And I show the youth them righteousness and, you know, both girl and boy and, you know, man and woman over the world. You see me I say? And the man, they burn the fire red. Now, I'm say burn the fire, the man and I burn a literal fire for burn down your church or burn down your house. You see me? The man, they burn a spiritual fire where I purge, you know what I mean, inward, outward. You see me I say? 'Cause once you burn the fire inward, you know what I mean, no form of impurity can dwell within inside. You know what I mean? All negative energy have to shed off. See? So anything where, you know what I mean, go inward, come out. You see me? So if you're negative, inward, I go negative, outward. If you're positive, you know what I mean, vice versa. So, me know say everybody have to agree with where CAPLETON I say. And with growth and CAPLETON, you reach the level of King Shango. When you're a king, you crown yourself. And when I say crown yourself, you start use your head. When I say start use your head, I talk about your brains. You know what I mean? When you start use your brains, you become a ruler. And when I talk about ruler, I'm not talk about to dominate an individual or to dominate a race. But you know what a ruler do? A ruler measures. And when time a ruler measure things, then him wait out. You see me I say, and when him wait out, him try to find the best way or the most amicable way to resolve any conflict or situation. Yeah? So people, if it's the first time you hear that voice, my name is Grizzly Bear. And it would be nice if you subscribe to the Dancehall Reggae Vibes. Yeah. Bell, just hit it. Just subscribe. Yeah man. Like and share. See me and say, come know your mother want to hear. Is it? Yeah. So them man are burn a fire. And I make you know straight. So this is selfishness or something where bound you as an individual. Cause selfishness, you see me I say, everything I yours, everything I mine's me. You know what I mean? You don't want to share nothing. You don't have nothing to give. Like a lot of relationships right now is like one-sided cause one individual I say me, and have the next individual just a pour into that individual. When time you empty and you don't have nothing more for pour, that individual are gonna leave because they need more supply, is what I say. So that is selfish. And you have to meds, you have to check. You know what I mean? You have to be mindful. You see me I say of other people's feelings and how people regulate themselves being in your space or even people sharing their space with you. You see me I say? There's boundaries to all things, you see me? And King Shanga, I can know say this is selfishness. One I think them way. Him burn a fire upon red hat. Red, blazing red hat. And him now go sit down and see ones with selfish energies and just accept and accommodate. Him a go burn the fire and make a one know say listen, the selfish behavior then I go work around here, you know. Yeah man, a King Shanga, me a burn the fire red hat. Slew them! Yeah, you know them man the fire and nah man, that's it. So yeah, people don't know say about grizzly bear, bear vice, bear fun, bear things, mouse feet, bear fox feet, leaf, bear tracks. You know what I mean? Comment, chat with me. Do you agree? I know you must agree, because you'd have be foolish to not agree. Yeah, no one should live with selfish energies. You hear me talk?